Hello foodies, welcome to Zaika Jigna's kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss update on new recipes. Hello friends, welcome back to Zaika Jigna's kitchen. So Father's Day is around the corner and especially for that occasion I've bought for you guys an amazing pie recipe. It's called Banoffee Pie. Don't go by its fancy name. It's a very easy to make dessert and it's a no bake, no maida, no flour, no sugar recipe. Follow the recipe till the end so you'll know how it's easy to make it and anyone can make it from scratch. So guys, our banoffee pie is ready. I let it set in fridge for around 5 to 6 hours. It looks really beautiful. The layers look amazing. It's textured really nicely. So make this recipe for your dads on Father's Day and see how their face light up when you make something from scratch for them. Because we all know dads don't need expensive gifts. They just need a lot of love and a lot of care. So make this recipe for your dads, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Zaika Jigna's Kitchen.